What's going on, guys? It's Rylan with Rylan's Amazing Photography. I have a super big, exciting announcement at the end of today's video. But first, I want to talk about how you can set up your free print store online. That's right, free. Let's get right into that. So, when you're a photographer, you're always looking for different ways that you can make money and how you can help improve your workflow. Well, the website that I'm going to be talking about today is one of the best ways that I have ever seen that you can do that, and it's a great way of making money, and it doesn't even cost you a nickel. So, what I'm talking about today is Darkroom Tech. Darkroom Tech allows you to set up your very own print store for free. The only cost is that obviously you have to pay the expense that it costs to print or to create whatever you're going to be selling. Now, this money doesn't come directly from you. It comes directly from the customers that pay, and they take out that portion. Now, if you're doing the setup for free, it's quite simple. They take a 15% commission from your profit. And that's not bad at all. Let me explain to you why. Let's suppose that you are going to be selling an 8x10 print and you're going to be selling it for $15. It costs $2 to create and manufacture the 8x10 print. So you're going to do 15 subtracted by 2, which is $13. So that $13 is what is your profit. Well, Darkroom Tech is going to come in and say, we get 15% of that $13. So they get 15% of your profit. That is still leaving you with roughly $11. It's actually a little above 11. It's $11 and so many cents. Doing that in my head, I don't know the exact amount. But I mean, that is a really good profit. Another great thing about Darkroom Tech is you can go in and create your own discount codes. This is really important when you're running a business, because on special events like Black Friday and Christmas and Thanksgiving and Valentine's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, people are wanting to go and purchase their family members gifts. And so if you can go in and create a discount code for a special occasion, people are going to be a lot more likely to go in there and use it, which is a really great way to also publicize that you are selling prints. So Darkroom Tech is without a doubt the best way for you to set up your online print store. Another great part about it is you don't have to worry about nothing. You aren't producing the print, you aren't making the print, you aren't dealing with the transaction and having to do anything. They do all of it for you. They do the printing, they do the packaging, they do the sending it out to be delivered to the client, and then they take their 15% commission and they pay you. That is incredible. You're not going to find another company that does that. I'm not affiliated with Darkroom Tech, but now it is time for the announcement. I have created my own print store with Darkroom Tech. You can go to www.rylansamazingphotography.pricing or click on the link down below in the description to go and check out my print store. I'm so excited. Today is the release date of my print store, which means I have had a very super hectic, busy day, but it is so worth it. I'm so excited to now have my work out there for anyone to be able to purchase it. Prices for my prints start as low as $15. And if you go and decide to purchase a print this week in honor of Cyber Monday, you can use the code capital CM20 at checkout to get 15% off of your order. I would really appreciate it if you all would go and check out my print store. And if you can't afford to buy anything, I totally understand, but it would help me out a lot if you would share the store with some of your friends, so maybe they will decide to purchase a print. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you've gotten this far into the video, definitely make sure that you go down below and subscribe so you get notified every time I upload a video. Make sure to leave the video a thumbs up and like it. Thank you all so much for watching, and remember to check out my print store, which is down below in the description. I hope you guys have an amazing day.